Hi, this is Bo Astrup. I want to revisit this video I did a while ago to 2017. Oh my god, time is flying. Toontrack Superior Drummer 3 routing in a DAW. Because I just got a question the other day from Barney Rubble. How do you get everything to go to separate channels and to a master bus to do some overall processing of the whole kit? So you can do individual processing of the snare, of the kick and the rest of it, but you want to have an overall processing of the whole drum kit, the whole drum kit mix. So this is how I'll do it. So let's first add Superior Drummer to my project here in Digital Performer 10. So we'll do a add tracks with options, so that will give me a MIDI track and the Superior Drummer track. So there we go. Okay, so we do have sound. So what we'll do, we'll go to the mixer here and we can see everything is routed to 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 and so on. Cool. So we'll go to the mixer tab here and simply select apply multi-channel outputs. Boom. So here we have kick in, kick out, and the kick sub all going to 1 2, snare top to 3 4, snare button to 5 6, hi-hat 7 8, and all the toms to a stereo bus here 9 10. You could set them to individual if you wanted it to. Let's just treat them all in one. And then we go all the way up to the rear rear microphones in the room mics. So here one thing I need to do here, I know that in DP, I don't know if it's something that happens to other DAWs as well, but 1 2, I can't see 1 2 out of the plugin in DP. I can only see from 3 4 and up. But let's count here. I will need 1 2 3 4 5 6 11 12 7 8 9 10 11 13 14 tracks, right? 14 stereo tracks. So let's just do that right now. Go back to DP here to add multiple tracks. I'll add multiple aux tracks and we set 14 and there we go. If we go to the mixing board, so the first thing here, we'll name that kick. Now we'll select the input from Superior Drummer. You'll see here I don't have 1 2 out of there. I have from 3 4 and up. So I need to go back to Superior Drummer and set the kick to a different bus. And we have 27 28 would work. So let's do that. 27 28 27 28 27 28. So now the kick will come out of Superior Drummer 27 28, which means I will select that as my incoming bus here. 27 28, there we go. And snare is 3 4 for the top, 5 6 for snare button. So we can name these two snare top, snare button. Then we have 7 8 is the hat. Then we have our toms, and those are 9 10. Then we have the overhead dynamic microphone and the overhead condenser going both to 11 12. 1112. We have ambience. And ambience is 1314. Go. Then we have front and center. It's 1516. And then we have surround left right. And those are 1920. Then we have the front and rear height. And there were 21, 22. And then we have, sorry, I did that wrong. This should only be the front. Should be the rear. And that's 23, 24. And then we have the rear wide, and that's 25, 26. Okay, so now we have the whole kit, so we can go. So we have the kick, the snare, so on. Okay, now what I would do in terms of processing the kit here would be, so now I can add individual plugins here. So let's add a 96 type of thing on the kick. So you can see I can individually process the drums now. Now, instead of sending it straight to my master bus, let's send this to this aux track and call it drums. Okay. So we'll take a incoming stereo bus we're not using. Let's just take 1112. So we can just send all these to 1112. I can use the multi-assign function in DP to do it all at once, but just for the purpose of this, showing you what I'm doing. So now all these drums will go through this bus here. So if I want I have the individual effect here on the kick. Now if I want to affect the whole kit, now we can add something right here. So let's do another 1176 style VCA compressor. Okay, now what I normally do in my mixes is, now I send it to this drum, I'll take this off and I will call this drums clean. Okay, now I'll call this aux track here, I'll call it drums trash. Okay, I'll make another aux track and call this drums. Okay, so here I will take the input for this one. So this one was 1112 on my DAW. I'll take another available bus 1314 and send to my drum trash. Then I will take another bus that's available 1516 on this drums channel, and then I will output this to 1516, the trash to 1516. Then I will go here on my send and add 1314. Wrong channel though. 1314 for the kick, 1314 snare, 1314 for snare. I will set them, they're all post fader, so that's great. So whatever I do here will be reflected in my send. I won't add the hat, but I'll add the toms. I might add, depending on how everything is, we might add some of the ambience as well. But what I'm doing now is I'm sending the kick, the snare, and the toms to this trash channel, which I will add again 1176. I'll squish it fairly hard, and now you'll see. So I'm sending the individual channel, I'm summing them here to the bus, to the drum clean. I'm sending these only instruments to the drum trash, and everything gets mixed down to this drum bus. So let's take this down to begin with, and let's just play. So now I'm doing parallel compression here on the kick, snare, and the toms. I gotta add compression, limitation, whatever I want on the drums clean as well, but now I have this parallel bus compression set up here for the drums only, and I have my overall drum track here. So this is my final drum, so here we go. So this is the drums clean coming through the clean channel. Now we do parallel compression with the, can do a little harder here. Take it down a little bit. And then blend in the trash track. And you get a little bit more oomph in the kick drum doing this one. This is how I will route it on a console, on a live tracking session. This is how I do it in the DAW with the Superior Drummer 3. Now for the sake of just making some adding, that will probably be the next thing you want to add, adding a reverb. So that will be another aux track. Now we can discuss where will we send this aux track. Will we send it straight to the drum bus, or will we send it to the drum clean? Let's just send it to the drum bus. This is 1516, so we do right there. The incoming, we need a available bus 1718. Let's add Sunsig Rev A. Let's do a, let's try this. I haven't tried it on drums before. So 1516, let's just do it on the snare. I want to do it on the snare. Let's try the snare bottom. So now we will send that to 1516. Very nice live sound. Sunsig Rev A is an awesome sounding reverb engine. So I hope you enjoy this. Make a lot of music, have fun, and take care. And any questions, feel free to ask them. I might be able to answer them, I might not, who knows. But you can always like and subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notice about whenever I get to make a new video. Thank you so much. Enjoy.